Hi everybody, welcome to section 5.4. Today there's a little bit more hands-on activity for you. You're going to be jumping today. We just need to go over something about called imperial measure. So don't worry about the warm-up, let's roll down. So just like you can measure things with centimeters and meters, there's a different type of measuring system called the imperial system. So we have metric, which is what we use in Canada, and then there's the imperial system, which is the measuring system they use in the States. So these are examples of places that you would see the imperial system. And you can answer question 1 and 2 on your own. So the statements above are about sports that usually use the imperial measure, and I would like you to try and list the sports. Question 1b says to mention 4 imperial units of length that are used the most often, and to put the abbreviations or the short form in the brackets. I can give you a hint. Some of them are listed down here, and these are the ones I would like you to use, okay? So try and figure out, we've already figured out that FT is foot. See if you can figure out what MI is short for, YD and IN, okay? And one of them's already listed. So try and come up with those imperial measures. Your parents can definitely help you with those. Once you've done that, I want you to find a ruler that has inches in it. A measuring tape would do also. And I would like you to measure each of the line segments, but this time in inches, okay? Please don't worry about converting between imperial measures. We will get to that as we go through, okay? So don't worry about it for now. All right, this is what I want you to do today. You are going to be doing something called measuring your vertical height. So the vertical height is how high your feet come off of the ground when you jump. So you can see this diagram, the person was on the ground and then they vertically jump and touch how high. So one of the things that you can do to measure your vertical jump is you touch the side of a wall, and you can mark it with a piece of tape. And then you have to jump up as high as you can and touch somewhere else, and you can measure that with another piece of tape. Maybe someone can help you with a chair or something, or a ladder to kind of help up. There are other ways where we can stick meters or measure sticks or measuring tapes along the wall. So do whatever you can to try and figure out your jump height. This activity will walk you through it. So here it talks about how tall Vince Carter is, and then it wants you to guess about his vertical jump height. I'm more interested in question number 4, where you get to figure out what your jump height is. So work with a parent or brother or sister or someone at home, and you are going to be measuring in inches. Round everything to ½ an inch. Okay, so please go through. You don't need me for this one. Okay, just simplify it a little bit. So record your height, calculate your vertical jump height. Unfortunately, it'll only be you, but if you would like mom and dad or brother or sister to get involved, that would be excellent. You can have their information here, and this is just a fun activity for you to do. Guys, have a great day, and we're going to see you next time.